If you're looking for the perfect touch of spice and sweetness in a bowl of soup, you're going to love what we're heating up today. Howard shows us how to make a butternut squash and apple soup in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
As the weather gets cooler and cooler, there's nothing like a comforting bowl of soup to warm you up. And since we love cooking with the seasons, today we're sharing a recipe that starts with two fall favorites, apples and butternut squash. To make it, we begin by melting butter in a soup pot, along with some cut up butternut squash, a chunked up apple, and a bit of chopped onion. When it comes to the squash, you can use a fresh cut one, or you can save some time by buying a pre-cut one from the produce department. After a bit, we add in some spices, our fall favorites, cinnamon, nutmeg, and some salt and pepper, along with some chicken broth. Now we cover it and let it simmer until it's fall apart tender. To make your soup velvety smooth, you can puree it in a blender, or if you have an immersion blender, you can use it right in the pot. Add some half and half and you're good to go. Talk about the perfect soup for this time of year. Maybe top each bowl with a few croutons and dig in. If you'd like the recipe for our butternut squash and apple soup, simply visit our website. I know you'll be glad you did. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a super creamy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.